Hey, welcome here at SEMA 2021. I'm here with Project X, and Project X has pretty much, they said that this is the last change that's going to be done to it. It's a beautiful car. Look how they did the interior, the broadcast sheet on the interior, or the broadcast panel on the side that matches the side panel here. It's a beautiful car. Look at the controls for the shifter. They look funny. Got the same 58 dash or 58 steering wheel. The dash has been modified, but the big thing is its power plant.
That's all. It's like coming closer, but I appreciate it. In your way. Yeah, no, you caught what I was doing. That's cool.
Wow.
All week I've been like,
Rest in pieces.
that's why they make it.
I grew up with this car, and now it's gone Biden on me. It's gone Biden on me. Yeah. They say that this will be the last rendition of this.
Hard to believe. That's what I was telling him. I said probably nothing after this.
Yeah,
Nuclear. When did they first start? It was what, 80s?
it was 60s.
Really?
In the 60s, sure. I had the magazine. Proper Hot Rodding on the cover. Project X, no hood. And then it was in the movie Hollywood Nights, which I liked. It was running in that.
I represent a new company, a startup company.
Yeah, nice ribs. But that's a torquey little sucker.
Yeah. What? 300 and something foot-pounds of torque. 325.
I know. You know, I used to work in a big factory, and we had tow motors, electric tow moters going. And we would be in the back drag racing with them. I go, man, these are quick. We can only figure out how to put them in a car. They did it.
This feels like driving a big golf cart.
Yeah, I know. And you don't hear it. You don't hear it.
Classic golf cart.
Yeah, you don't hear it. That's the scary thing.
You know how they always make golf carts look like 57s?
Right.
Now they made 57 look like a golf cart.
Right. It's
He
Just
have
saying,
a sound system on it, makes it sound like a V8.
and he's got electric power steering too.
Yeah.
Yep, he's got electric power steering on that.
And I was reading the article, I believe that's the AC compressor.
Right. And he also's got running the power brakes through the power steering pump, like on new cars.
They converted this
Yeah.
thing in 2 weeks.
Yeah, there's the what do they call that thing right there underneath the
Hydro Boost.
it's a what?
Hydro Boost.
Hydro Boost, yeah. I know I had one of my diesel and it leaked. It was a mess.
They converted this thing in 2 weeks.
That's the scary part. It looks so easy.
They had to put a quick changer into it.
Yeah. I mean, you think about it. I mean, go to the drags and what's your prep? Checking your air tires. Air in your tires, that's about it.
Change the gears in the quick changer.
Yeah.
It's not the same. So it's a future.
It's like 721. The drag with or something like that. It's a gear ratio.
Wow. But if you ever get a chance to go on YouTube and watch electric drag racing, it's the most boring thing you ever seen.
Worse than watching paint
Oh yeah. Well, it's like watching Super Comp with throttle stops, you know. That's a drag. That's exactly what it's like.
That's what's coming next.
Yeah, no excitement.
It'll be electric cars with
But it must ride nice, you know. The neighbors must love him.
Yeah.
They don't love me, but they'll love him. So he put a quick change in it. Quick change. Get up. And they put a belly pan on it, looks like. I'm wondering what they did here. Did they? Oh, they closed it off. So did they belt it down? I don't know. I don't want to ruin the car by trying to open it. That's cool. I was gonna do this with mine with exhaust coming out there, but he won't have no exhaust. Cool. Wow, what is this? Ooh. Well, what do we have here? Okay. New C8. This is a new Z06 right here. New Z06. Excuse me. Okay, what the changes are. This is larger. This is more flat out.
For safety and the safety of others, while in this facility, you are required to
And you can see this is a regular seat. No, this is a Z06 also. If I just had more money than brains, that's what I would do. One of these, put that in the stacker. Okay, I've lost a lot of time because of the fact it took me an hour to get in here because the passes took so long to get. But half the show's outside. I mean, everywhere you go, there's another C8. Yeah. A lot of glass to clean. This is early 60s. Oh, look at that. Clean. Really clean. Really clean. There's just so much to see here. You can't do it one day. Man, you just can't do SEMA in one day. But I got to be back at work tomorrow. Those kind of look cool wheels for the 57. We're thinking of changing the wheels. Blower pistons.
Being home that Saturday.
Here we go. Oh, diesel. Nothing for a blower. Some more cars. Everywhere. Our cams. Pirello. That's the same kind of magnetos, is it? Okay, I'm gonna ask him what set of heads. Cool. Cool. There's just stuff everywhere. I haven't even got to the cars yet. I started this morning at, I got up at 4 a.m. to be here. Had breakfast with my friend Jerry, and shout out to Jerry and his girlfriend. I met this morning for breakfast and made it here. Oh, this is nice. That was nice. That was nice. Clean.
Well, no, because I don't want to.